Вот такий от пароход. Ну, будем на нем сейчас плыть.
Мы отправились на нашем прекрасном судне.
And as we have just started our sail, coming up now on the right side of the riverboat, or starboard side as it's known on this vessel, by lightning strikes per year. Opening in 1976, it was the tallest structure in the world until the year 2007. That's when the Burj Khalifa took that number up. And it took nearly 40 months for the Canadian National Railway to build the CN Tower. And its Skypod observation deck is among the highest observation decks. It would be a large ship that is on the dock there. Oppositely, this very large red map.
Водное такси.
And this red map ship refinery and raw sugar arrives by ocean voyages from Central and South America. An interesting fact about that factory is almost half of the sugar that is consumed here in Canada, all of that comes from this
Water
one
taxi.
factory here on the right side. And
Дома такие прикольные, в пятнышку. Серые с белым. Здоровики.
И если только сейчас запустил недавно, функционирует. Осталось сколько раз эта страна.
Да. О, самолетик